I just wanted to point out how many of these stupid things have taken over this world. I guess God sent these guys as the apocalypse. Look at this. Hundreds and hundreds of these things everywhere. If you don't know what a cicada is, they come out of the ground like this. This is a shell, and then they come out and they turn into one of these. And they're really loud. You can hear them in the background. I mean, look at all these things. You can see one coming out right there. It's coming out of its shell. It's like, that's a cicada on top of a cicada. That's how many of these stupid things there are. They buzz if you pick them up. All over the trees, everywhere. Every 13 years you get a cicada invasion like this. I've always pictured the end of the world coming at the hands of a cicada invasion. See, there's what it looks like in its larva stage. That's before it comes out of the shell. Everywhere. Probably 1,000 cicadas out here.